What if I told you a precision engineering company that's hitting record revenues and gearing up to supply structural parts to EV giants across India and the US, or an automated lighting player that's not only posting double digit profit growth but also collaborating with top OEMs and even a European automaker? Hi, and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we keep things simple and focus on companies that often go unnoticed but have strong potential. Hi, I am Nishant, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's segment, we are covering two exciting names in the industrial and automotive manufacturing space, each backed by strong execution and future ready strategies. But before jumping directly to the companies, let's see the disclaimer first. Any discussion, facts, or writing provided are for informational purposes only and do not constitute a buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decision. Let's start with the first company. Pennar Industries, a diversified precision engineering company with capabilities across pre-engineered buildings, hydraulics, custom warehouse systems, and structural steel. In Q4 FY25, Pennar delivered its highest ever quarterly revenue of Rs 906 crore, marking a 10% year-on-year growth. Profit after tax came in at Rs 36 crore, up 24% from last year's Q4, driven by strong performance across its divisions. The full year FY25 results were equally encouraging, with revenue hitting Rs 3,227 crore, up 3% year-on-year, and PAT at Rs 119 crore, showing a 21% jump. The company's momentum is being driven by two key areas. First, its diversified engineering segment, which grew by 4.4%, and second, its custom building solutions division, which posted a 14% increase. Management has now laid out ambitious targets, growing its body in white BIW business from Rs 100 crore to Rs 1000 crore by tapping into demand from India's rapidly expanding automotive and EV sectors. The company, going forward, is also expanding its pre-engineered buildings and structural steel operations with new plant in Gujarat and a greenfield unit in the United States via its subsidiary, Accent Buildings. With demand growing across Western India and globally, Pennar is positioning itself to be a dominant player in industrial infrastructure. On the financial front, Pennar maintained an EBITDA margin of 10.1% in Q4 FY25 and a net profit margin of 3.9%, reflecting efficient operation despite sectoral challenges. With promoter holding stable, increasing DI's interest, and falling public shareholding, investor confidence seems aligned with Pennar execution. Now, the next company. Let's talk about Fiem Industries, one of India's top automotive lighting solution provider. The company recently closed FY25 on a high note, reporting Rs 2,423 crore in revenue, up 19% year-on-year, with EBITDA at Rs 322 crore, rising 19%. But the real highlight was the PAT of Rs 205 crore, which grew 24% year-on-year, showcasing strong bottom line growth. The company has also made some important infrastructure moves. Its new Gurugram office now houses R&D, innovation, and corporate operations under one roof, boosting collaboration and client response time. This development supports deeper partnerships with 2W, two-vehicle and four-vehicle OEMs like Hero MotoCorp, Royal Enfield, Yamaha, and Mahindra. Looking ahead, Fiem is eyeing 15 to 12% annual revenue growth while maintaining EBITDA margins between 13 to 13.5%. A capex of Rs 75 to 100 crore is also planned for FY26, focused on innovation, next-gen lighting solutions, and electronic components across both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. The company is particularly bullish on the two-vehicle electric vehicle segment, where it expects first-mover advantage. It has also initiated a pilot collaboration with a European car manufacturer, signaling potential breakthroughs in international four-wheeler platform. Now, let's review some of our previous picks that we have. Sky's Gold and Diamonds Ltd, covered at Rs 338.4, is currently trading at 393, up by 16.1%. Balu Industries Ltd covered at 640 is currently trading at 736, up by 15%. Strides Pharma Science Ltd covered at rupees 773 is currently trading at 816, up by 5.5%. Som Distilleries and Breweries Ltd covered at rupees 149 is currently trading at 142.5, down by 4.3%. Thomas Cook India Ltd covered at rupees 167 is currently trading at 173.9, up by 4.1%. So, summary of today's recent filing includes Pennar Industries Ltd, which achieved record Q4 and FY25 performance, now targeting major expansion in the EV and structural steel space, both in India and internationally. Fiem Industries Ltd, that reported double-digit growth in revenue and profits, launched a new innovation hub and is expanding aggressively into EV lighting and global OEM partnership. So, that's it for today's Noisemaker of edition. If you like this breakdown, you can scan the QR code to read the full report. We will be back soon with more simple and clear market updates. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead.